I am outside of the greenhouse, and I did something today. Well, there we go. I hooked up lights to the greenhouse, so you can see me. Well, you can hear the neighbor's dog, but yeah. So I just took these are I had some extra, these are some of the grow lights that I had done. So these are just from Amazon, and they come with all the pigtails and all the connectors. So I ran from my outlet here, which I do have my temperature controlled fan. I ran through the outlet, wired it down there to my waterproof on-off switch, which turns it off well, but there we go. Yeah, so that's working, and a great step, or a great thing to have. I'm gonna shut this so the bugs don't start coming in here, but I think it's a great thing to have because I really like being out in the greenhouse, so now I can be out here more. But also, if I need to do some plantings or I need to do anything, any type of work out here, the time of day does not restrict me in that, so that is a bonus. And then back there, you can see we've got some kale and collard greens that I'll be saving seeds on. So I just pulled those out, did a bunch of work on the farm today. There's some salad mix, looking good, some melons and cucumbers and squash. So yeah, it's kind of a mess in here because this was a lot of work, but it was worth it. So I hope everybody has a wonderful day, wonderful night, and we'll see you soon.